Going to make a tomato puree, a very instant and quick tomato puree. You can even chop the fresh tomatoes and use, but here I'm using a frozen tomato because of COVID-19 not going outside, so I have frozen couple of tomatoes in my freezer. And the best thing is that you can easily make a tomato puree out of this. And here I'm going to put this tomato in a bowl, and I'm going to put this bowl in an oven. While freezing the tomato, you can remove the upper part of the tomato, but I kept it. It's your wish. If you do not like, or if you want to remove, you can. And also you can remove the seeds of the tomato if you prefer. Now I'm going to place this bowl in my oven, microwave, and I'm going to let it get microwaved for almost 5 minutes. Tomato paste is ready, and it will be real hot, so you can wear a glove. And this is how it looks after 5 minutes, and you can easily peel off the tomato cover, you can see. And since it is hot, I'm just peeling off the cover, but if it is, you can set it for 2 to 3 minutes, let it get cold, and you can even squeeze the tomato cover after that. So I'm going to remove the entire tomato cover or skin, and this leftover is the tomato puree. You can simply use a spoon to mix it with the tomato water, or you can also use a hand blender, and it instantly comes out as a very quick instant tomato paste for any kind of dish will be ready by doing this. And some people, they do not like kind of tomato seeds due to health issues or some or the other reason, so you can actually remove these seeds when you are putting in the oven, and like just cut it into 2 pieces and take out the seeds, and you can follow the remaining procedure in the same way. So this is how I prepare an instant tomato paste, or you can say tomato puree, and I use this in my cooking whenever I need.